Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best diabetic dog treats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Old Dog Cookie Co. Diabetic Cookies. Formulated specifically for diabetic dogs, these baked treats contain vet-approved ingredients that help reduce glucose levels. The combination of high fiber, 7%, low fat, 1%, and carefully chosen herbs slow the rate of food metabolism and don't spike blood sugar. They also contain natural vitamins for your pup's overall health. The Maine-based Old Dog Cookie Company has been making these special treats in small batches for more than 2 decades, to the delight of many pup parents and their dogs. Some owners say they're a bit on the hard side, but they also offer tiny treats using the same recipe for smaller dogs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PureBites Chicken Freeze-Dried Dog Treats. Another fantastic choice for a single-ingredient, high-protein treat is PureBites Freeze-Dried Raw Chicken Bites. Featuring 74% protein, 3% fat, and only 3 calories each, they're made in the US with 100% humane-grade chicken breast. While they're quite small, some pet parents said they're a perfect low-calorie option to entice their pups to get their insulin injections, or as a reward afterward. At number 3, we have the Ella's Diabetic Dog Treats. These affordable, meat-free treats are formulated for pups with canine diabetes using limited, low glycemic index ingredients. Oven-baked with a crunchy texture, these cookies are a hit with dogs and their parents. They contain no sugars, syrups, flour, gluten, preservatives, or artificial additives. And as a bonus, most ingredients are organic. Made in the US, Ella's dog treats are also available in pumpkin flavor. At number 2, we have the Hank and Harley Chicken Jerky Sticks. Hank and Harley's all-natural jerky sticks feature real chicken as the first ingredient, and pumpkin is an excellent fiber source for diabetic dogs. While these US-made soft chews do contain vegetable glycerin, a sugar alcohol, it has an extremely low glycemic index, so it's not likely to raise glucose levels, as many pup parents attest. The only potential downside is a higher fat content, 15%, than other treats I reviewed here, but they're easy to tear into smaller pieces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ketona Zero-Carb Chicken Liver Dog Treats. Although expensive, Ketona's 100% freeze-dried raw chicken liver dog treats may be a good option for your diabetic dog. They contain no dietary starch, sugar, preservatives, fillers, or artificial flavors. Made and sourced in the US, these small, tasty treats can also be fantastic as a food topper if your doggo is super picky about his regular diabetic dog food. Just make sure to get your vets okay because these may be too high in calories for your pup's specific dietary needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.